Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys the lip trio by Kylie Cosmetics that she's selling at the Travis Scott concert. They also had this lip kit at the Astroworld festival that Travis Scott had here in Houston. My boyfriend's niece went to the Astroworld festival here in Houston and she was able to get her hands on one of these for me, so thank you so much. Yeah, so I'm just going to try on the lipsticks that are in this trio just so you guys can see how they are swatched on my lips. You do have to purchase these at the concert. They're not giving these out for free if you go to the concert. I love this packaging. It says I went to Astroworld and all I got was this fucking lip kit, which I love that as well. This does come with a velvet liquid lipstick, which is in this shade Savage, and then it comes with a gloss which is called Cupid, and then it comes with a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Boss. So these are already existing shades that she has on the Kylie Cosmetics website. These are not like exclusive for the Astroworld concert. You can actually purchase these separately on her website. So if you do end up liking one of these shades, you can actually go to the Kylie Cosmetics website and purchase these shades as well. So the first one that I'm going to try on is the Cupid gloss because it's just easier to take off gloss. I don't have anything on my lips right now, so I'm going to swatch it here on the back of my hand first. So that's the Cupid gloss. You guys, this is a beautiful gloss. I really like the shade of this lip gloss. I don't have this one in my collection. I'm sure you can also top these other lipsticks with the gloss, but I'm gonna try them on separately so you guys can see the shades and how they look on my lips. That is so pretty. It has a pink undertone, but it kind of has like a dual chrome finish. It's really pretty. And it's very metallic. Alright, let me try on the next shade. Okay, so the next one I'm going to try on is Savage. Okay, so I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand, and this is the Velvet lipstick. It's a very pretty nude shade. I really like this shade a lot. So I know she has this shade at Ulta because I recently went to Ulta and did a vlog of her display and what she has in the Ulta store during the holidays. So if you want to check out that vlog, I will link it over here if you guys want to check it out and down below. But yeah, this is just a really beautiful nude velvet lipstick. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. And I just love her velvet formula. It's really good. Alright guys, so this is Savage, and honestly it's just beautiful. I would just go and buy this one individually if she has it on the website or at Ulta. But yeah, I love this shade a lot and it feels really comfortable as well. I think I like it more than the gloss. For the last shade, Boss, I have to apply lip liner because it is a red shade, so it's a little bit harder to like apply a red lipstick without lip liner. So I went ahead and applied the Red Velvet Lip Liner by Kylie. So this one is a really red shade and this is in the matte formula. It is a beautiful red shade. I do have this shade in my collection in a mini size. I really like this shade, so I don't mind having a full size of it now. It feels really lightweight. It's super pigmented, one swipe. So yeah, this is the shade Boss, and I love this red. It's like one of my favorite reds. It's really beautiful. So yeah, this is the last shade. So these are the 3 shades swatched on my hand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it helped some of you guys that are going to the concert, or if you had been just wanting to see swatches of these shades. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, and if you are going to be going to the Astroworld concert, and if you have gone, let me know in the comment section how it was. I've seen videos and it just looks like a lot of fun and crazy, maybe a little too crazy for me, but if you guys do go to the concert, be safe, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye! Oh shit. I didn't know I was recording. Oh my god, my eyeliner looks hideous.